Hey, welcome. Now that the filling is done, the next major part is buying timber for the roofing, okay, for the framing. So what we had to do is we needed a lot of wood, okay. We needed like 670 pieces of 2x6, okay, and that's about 85 cities in Cape Coast. So the carpenter, he came to do work in my nearby my works, my farm. So I saw him. He's from Accra. So I talked to him and he said the man that he's doing his job, they went to Mampon Presso, okay, and over there 2x6 is sold for 55 Ghana cedis. So that's what we did. We went there and we bought 670 pieces of that, which came to 36,830, okay. But when you're going to buy the wood, you also have to do paperwork, okay, which the paperwork I think cost me 400 Ghana cedis, and then for them to take the wood, it's in raw form. So cutting fee, loading fee came to 2,070 Ghana cedis, okay. And with the 2x6, then the carpenter divided into we needed 480 pieces of 2x4, we needed 480 pieces of 2x3, and we needed 220 pieces of 2x3, okay. So out of the 670 2x6, he divided them all into this many wood, which he's using to frame the roofing. These are the galvanized pipes I'm talking about, and I've bought about 50 so far, and then I buy them, and then welder cuts it, gets ready for us to basically use, okay. So I don't know the total yet, but I'll let you know in my cost analysis down the road, okay. So after all it's said and done, I spent about 41,470 for the wood for the roofing framing, which includes the price of the wood, cutting fee, loading fee, transportation. The truck that brought it went twice and he charged me 2,000 Ghana cedis. And then I also went there and I bought like 500 Ghana petrol for the car. And then with police bribing and paperwork, the final total for the cost of the wood was 41,470, okay. So when you divide it even by the 670 pieces, I'm spending just after 61 Ghana cedis, or let's say 62 Ghana cedi per wood versus paying 85 in Cape Coast. So it was worth it. But yeah, that's what we did, and framing is almost done. But before we can finish framing, a little something happened, so I'll keep you posted, okay. No man. Mate. Aye. Okay. Mate. Yeah, mommy. Progress. See, I have lots of wood here. Guys, this is huge. Spent so much on wood. And then those metal poles in the middle. I still have some here. These galvanized pipes. One was 120. And then I had to buy 20. And then the steel bender charge 1,000 to put these, and the other end to cut and then put those, and then the middle supporting it. Wow, this is lots of money. Yeah guys, update. It's huge.